Yawn is your action to involuntarily open your mouth very wide and inhale deeply. It is your reflex act of opening your mouth, consisting of the simultaneous inhalation of air and the stretching of your eardrums, followed by an exhalation of breath. The animals also doing that. There are a number of theories that attempt to explain why animals and people yawn. It's just like that there are a number of triggers for the behavior. However, there are comparatively few theories that attempt to explain the primary evolutionary reason for the yawn. There are studies explaining that the states of the yawning occurs when one's blood contains increased amount of carbon dioxide and therefore becomes in need of the influx of oxygen that a yawn can provide. Neither providing more oxygen or reducing carbon dioxide in air decrease yawning. In animal, they said that yawning is points out the animals subject to predation or other dangers must be ready to physically exert themselves at any given moment. Their studies suggest that yawning, especially psychological yawning, may have developed as a way of keeping a group of animals alert. Nervousness has also been suggested as another possible reason. Nervousness often indicates the perception of an impending need for action. Anecdotal evidence suggests that yawning helps increase the state of alertness of a person. Another notion states that yawning is the body's way of controlling brain temperature. Another hypothesis is that yawns are caused by the same chemicals in the brain that affect emotions, mood, appetite, and other phenomena. These chemicals include serotonin, dopamine, glutamic acid, and nitric oxide. As more of these compounds are activated in the brain, the frequency of yawning increases. You will notice in yourself that when you are tired and your body's energy levels are pretty low, which means that your body cells need more fuel or more oxygen, then you will do yawning. When you yawn, you are getting more air into your body and your cells receive more oxygen and more energy is generated so that you can keep going. Yawning is also be considered as a sign from your body to get more sleep or take rest. If you notice you yawn only for a short period of time and then it comes go away, it takes back some time later, this is because your body keeps supplementing the oxygen through yawning. If you will take a deep breath, your yawning will reduce.